we want to let the country know that there are interventions that we are making. First of all, the technical people have guided that in some areas, in some roads which are overtly flooded, not much can be done immediately as the flood is still on. But immediately these floods subside, the technical people are monitoring keenly across all the regions of the country so that they can make what we can call immediate emergency interventions on these roads to make them motorable. I can just give one example. We discussed with one of the stations of a major road that had been flooded. They visited the place and realized that it was a flash flood. A flash flood that they could notice would go off within the next maybe few hours or so. And you know that it is not a hopeless situation, but it is something that we can collectively handle. So as a ministry, we have indicated that we will do whatever it takes. I have guided that, for example, the districts have received their quota of this financial year. Each district should have gotten right now close to about 250 million. That is the 1 billion that always is sent for maintenance of community district roads. The technical people have also guided that this money should not just be poured to a place just to make it an impression that work is going on. But after critical assessment, after the damage, then this money should be put into use in all the districts using the equipment. And that gives us the confidence that if each district has received this money and then they deploy this resource effectively, we will be able to restore most of the damaged roads in the districts as quickly as this water recedes.
So the